Hello students, Sacred Heart High School welcomes you. Today we are going to study chapter 14, Elements, Compounds and Mixtures, part 2. Compounds. Before studying compounds, let us study about atoms and molecules in short. Atoms are the basic units of matter and the defining structure of elements. Example of atoms are neon, hydrogen, calcium, etc. Molecules. Molecules are formed when two or more atoms form a chemical bond with each other. It means that here the atoms stick to each other. The atoms can be of same element or different elements. Example, water, that is H2O. Here, one molecule of water is made of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Similarly, calcium oxide is also a molecule. Compounds. The substance formed by a chemical combination of two or more elements is a compound. Example, sodium chloride, NaCl. Then H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, methane, CH4 are all compounds. Hydrogen is combustible, means it burns easily. Oxygen helps in combustion, but water, which is formed by a combination of hydrogen and oxygen, is used to extinguish a fire. In other words, the properties of a compound are different from those of the elements. Molecular formula. Like an element, a compound is also written in an abridged or short form. A molecular formula is used to represent a compound. A molecular formula of a compound is a short form of its name written with the help of the symbols of the constituent elements and the number of their respective atoms. Example, water. The molecular formula of water is H2O. Sodium chloride. The molecular formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. That is, because a molecule can be made up of two atoms of the same kind, as when two oxygen atoms bind together to make an oxygen molecule. However, all compounds are made of two or more different types of atoms, and hence they are not similar. Mixtures. A mixture is formed by mixing different elements or compounds. The proportion of various components in a mixture is not fixed. Chemical changes do not take place during the formation of mixtures and no new substances are formed. In chapter 5th, Food Safety, we had studied about adulteration. Adulteration is the mixing of unwanted and cheap quality material in any foodstuff. Hence we can say that adulterated foodstuffs is also a kind of mixture. When an unwanted and harmful substance is mixed with another substance, the resulting mixture no longer remains useful and it is harmful for our body. In such cases, we separate the unwanted ingredients from the mixture. For this purpose, simple and easy methods such as straining, sifting, peeking, sorting, winnowing, combing with a magnet and sublimation are used. On screen, you will see the examples of various methods of separation. I hope you all have understood this part. Thank you.